If you want to apply a gradient to a layer in Affinity, it's very easy to do, even on text. So what we could do is select this. We can grab the gradient tool and we just click and drag and we have a gradient. Let's go and make it slightly more interesting. Oof, that's punchy. Let's go down here. I'm feeling purple. Oof, that is quite vibrant. And you can move this around and it's just super easy and enjoyable to use this responsive gradient tool. Illustrator, please take note. But what if we want to add this gradient as a stroke? And this could be to a regular shape or to text as well. And what we can do is go up here with the fill tool selected and then change fill to stroke. And let's go and create a gradient again. Now it's kind of hard to see. So what we're going to do is double click to select the text. And let's go and change the color of the main text. We'll go for white. Again, switch back to this tool here. Is it a gradient tool or a fill tool? No, it's a fill tool. Sorry, that's my Illustrator brain. So, okay, we don't want to do that as a fill. So we'll switch to stroke. And then now we're creating a gradient for the stroke. So let's go and make our sexy purple gradient again. There we go. This is impossible to see, even for my eyes with my glasses on. So I'm going to crank this up, don't worry. There we go. Let's change that to the outside. Oh, bit much there, Dan. Dial it back, please. And we can then go and adjust it just as you would with any other gradient. And if you don't want it to run in a straight line, there are loads of gradients here as well. So we have radial, which will come to or from the center. So yeah, well, hey, feel free to play around with this and have as much fun as you like.